Okay, this is our 251 by ear project in our ongoing class in the key of C today. And instead of doing a D minor to a G7 to a C, which is a 251, we're using the G suspended. So G7 suspended. So here is our G7 suspended, and then to a G7. So one of the options is to go back and forth between those two forms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Very pretty. And then we can take it a little farther by releasing the ring finger. Hear that? Still creating tension. So one way of putting these three forms together is like this. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2. That's 4 measures. What if we have only 2 measures? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. A great chord substitution. So with Mary Had a Little Lamb, we might have to cram that in because we don't have a lot of space to work with. But let's give it a try and see what we come up with. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Mary had a little lamb, little lamb, little lamb. Mary had a little lamb whose fleece was white as snow. So we did 2 of the positions there because we didn't have a lot of time and space to throw in the third one. So let's try, oh dear, what could the matter be, that waltz that we've been working on. There's more room to mess around. So let's try it. 1, 2, 3. Oh, oh dear, what could the matter be, dear, dear? What could the matter be, oh dear? What could the matter be? Johnny's so long at the fair. So I was able to put in those 3 forms in the middle of the song and not quite at the end. We didn't have as much time, so it was just a G7 sus to a G7. Let's try that one more time. Find my note. Not the best key to sing in for an alto, but who cares? 1, 2, 3. Oh dear, what could the matter be? Oh dear, what could the matter be? Oh dear, what could the matter be? Johnny so long at the fair. Now let's do our third song by ear that we've been using in this exercise, Getting to Know You. And again, the part that we're doing, it's just going back and forth between a C chord and a G7. So let's see what happens when we throw in the suspended G7 ideas. So 1, 2, 3, getting to know you, getting to know all about you. Whoa, that fits. Getting to like you, getting to hope you like me. So you see, because we had the time to put all 3 forms in there, it works really, really well. Whereas it didn't work with Mary Had a Little Lamb, and it only worked with one part of, oh dear, what could the matter be? Let's do this one more time. 1, 2, 3, getting to know you, getting to know all about you, getting to like you, getting to hope you like me. Now what if we throw in a D minor and a G7 in this particular song? Because we could, and really vary it up. Let's just try it. 1, 2, 3, getting to know you, getting to know all about you, getting to like you, getting to hope you like me. So you see what we did? We did the D minor to the G7, and then we did the G sus to the G7 to another little suspended here. Isn't that cool? And so you can use the ideas with lots and lots of songs. So experiment, and for heaven's sakes, have a great time, because it's fun.